Now we will show you the zipper wrap installation. Firstly, preparing the zipper wrap and the cable harness well. Checking and try the zipper if it works smooth or not. After that, put the cable wire harness into the zipper wrap and could be installing very easily and fast. Just like closing your coat with zipper. If you would like to repair or replace any cable, it will be easy and convenient to take out any cables from zipper wrap. Meanwhile, the zipper wrap can offer excellent protection and abrasion with soft flexibility in the application.